Hello, good morning students. We are back with our social science subject, chapter number 2, motions of the earth, and this is our second session. Students, now I hope you all are clear with the concept of what is rotation of the earth, right? It's very clear now. So now let's proceed further. In today's session, we'll be learning about the second motion of the earth, that is revolution. Okay, it's a very interesting topic. You'll enjoy. But as you know that before starting something new, we will be doing a quick recap. Recap is a must. Okay, so first let us see the recap and then we'll proceed with our today's session. So students, motions of the earth, there are two motions. The first one we have already seen, rotation. So now let's see what is revolution. What is revolution? Revolution is a movement of any object around a center or another object. Okay, that means any object is moving around any other object. It is known as revolution. Okay, and what is the example of revolution? That the earth revolves around the sun and the moon revolves around the earth. So the earth rotates on its axis and it revolves around the sun. Similarly, the moon rotates on its axis and it revolves around the earth. Okay? What is an orbit? Previously, you saw that the earth rotates on its axis, right? Similarly, the earth revolves on a fixed imaginary path. This imaginary path is known as an orbit. So, the earth rotates on its axis and the earth revolves on its orbit. Is it clear? Students, please don't get confused between rotation and revolution. Now, how is this orbit? Is it round? Is it square? Is it triangle? It is none of these. It is elliptical. Elliptical means it is oval in shape. Now students, as the Earth's orbit is not round but elliptical, sometimes the Earth is close to the Sun, sometimes the Earth is far from the Sun. In this image, you can see that the Earth is revolving around the Sun, and because of its elliptical shape, sometimes the Earth is very near to the Sun, and sometimes the Earth is far from the Sun. Earth's revolution around the Sun. You all know that it takes 24 hours for the Earth to rotate on its axis, right? Everybody knows that now, clearly. Then, what is the duration of one revolution of the Earth around the Sun? The Earth orbits the Sun once every 365.25 days. Confused? Because we know that the Earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution, and that period is known as a year, right? But to be precise, actually the Earth takes 365.25 days to complete one revolution. Since our calendar years have only 365 days, we add an extra leap day every 4 years to account the difference. You getting it? Every 4 years we have one leap year, right? In that leap year, how many days are there? 366 days, right? So to balance this, we add an extra leap day every 4 years. So the Earth takes 365.25 days to complete one revolution. The Earth revolves around the Sun at the speed of approximately 1780 kilometers per hour, and it makes an angle of 66.50 degrees, that is 66.50 degrees to its orbit. Okay, I am again repeating, the Earth revolves around the Sun at the speed of approximately 1780 kilometers per hour, and it makes an angle of 66.50 degrees to its orbit. Clear? The moon revolves around the Earth. Previously we saw this, that the Earth revolves around the Sun. Same way, the moon revolves around the Earth. The moon orbits the Earth and rotates once in 29 days. How many days? It takes approximately 29 days for the moon to rotate once on its axis. Okay? As a result, the moon does not seem to be spinning. Do you see the moon spinning fast, round, round, round? No. We always see the moon still, perfectly still, is because why it is perfectly still though it is rotating and revolving? Because the moon orbits the earth and rotates once in 29 days. And because of that, we cannot see the moon spinning, but it appears to be perfectly still. So students, here we end the topic of revolution. I hope you have understood the concepts of rotation and revolution. Okay, I am taking one topic purposely and I am not mixing both the topics. Okay, so that you can clearly understand both the difference of rotation and revolution. Okay, so here I would like to give you a small homework, and the homework is that you have to make two mind maps. One mind map of the rotation of the earth and the second mind map of revolution of the earth. Clear? Tomorrow we will be discussing about what happens due to the rotation and revolution of the earth. Okay, many things happen. So tomorrow we'll see that. We'll be discussing about that. Okay, so till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling. God bless you all. Bye.